and now we're just running. Yeah, you make me feel nothing.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Rice. I am back today again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your voice sound more better and crispier. The first thing that you want to do is record. So just say something simple like, hello, my name's Rice, sup. So what you want to do is try to find a spot over here where like there's a straight line and none of these little tiny spikes here. Yeah, so just highlight the lines that are straight, nothing on it, just straight like that. Go to effect and go to noise reduction, and then go to get noise profile. Either double click the track to select the whole thing, or go down here, press select, go back to effect, go to noise reduction again, and then what you want to do is copy the exact same thing right here. I'm pretty sure these are set for you already. So yeah, so if that's the case, then just press OK, and then go to normalize. Make sure that these are checked. Change this number to -3.0, and then press OK. And then go to a curve, and then copy this exact graphing. You're gonna need this, like this is important. Press OK, and then if you want, you could like find the unnecessary noise that you don't want on your track. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just highlighting the noises that I don't really want to be on here. Alright, so this is what it should sound like. Hello, my name's Rice, sup. As you can hear, it sounds more better. There's no background noises at all. So if you want to do a little extra, if you have any plugins, like any plugin that you added into Audacity, like whassup, Spitfish, Floorfish, G-Snap, Blackfish, any of those, I prefer using whassup. Apply it once, and then like lower this bar thingy, like lower it down to the line right here. Yeah, so apply it once. If you want to sound like a little bit louder and clearer, then apply it twice, but I'd rather do it once because that's like, because it's just perfect. Alright, so it should sound like this. Hello, my name's Rice, sup. Yeah, see, now my voice sounds like I'm talking from a radio station microphone, but I'm just using my BM700. If you want your first microphone, I'd rather get a BM700 and then upgrade it when I have like a lot of money or stuff. Or if you're on a budget, then yeah, then get the BM700. I'm planning on getting the at 2020, like probably in a few months. Yeah. So anyways, I hope this helped you guys. I know this video is not long, so if you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yes, some of you guys are asking me to release the full song of Desire. I will by today. Hopefully my plan works. So yeah, I'm out. Peace.